In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious, unique flour appetizer out of bread. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need bread, cream cheese, salami, mini tomatoes, lettuce, and toothpicks. We're going to cut each slices of the bread in half from quarter to quarter. We're going to take the two corners of the bread triangles and fold them together and secure the two sides with a toothpick. Place this on a baking sheet. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. While we wait for that, we're going to cut each of our mini tomatoes in half. Take the bread out of the oven, and once it's cooled, we're going to remove the toothpicks. We're going to spread a thin layer of cream cheese on the inside of the bread. Now we're going to add a piece of lettuce. Roll up a piece of salami, and we're also going to place this in the center of our bread. Finally, in the center of the salami, we're going to place half a tomato. Our flour appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.